Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw an onigiri. So let's get started. First, start by drawing a line out. To the right and downwards. Now draw two round big eyes. Insert with a circle and another smaller circle. A curve. Insert with lines. And the mouth. And to the right, now draw a line outwards and downward again. Now we have an onigiri. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.